Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm showing you a very awesome rare release that I finally got my hands on. This is the Kenya Airways Boeing 787-8, the Pride of Africa Magical Kenya livery. I've been always wanting to get one of these to fly it into my New York JFK airport. Limited edition, I believe this is by Phoenix Models, yes, it is. I did get this. Somebody was selling this on eBay, but it's brand new. Heart of Aviation, true to scale collectible, super detailed graphics, realistic featured antennas, rollable wheels with metal landing gear. So this aircraft, absolutely beautiful. So thank you Phoenix Models for creating this for the world. I know people are talking about like NG Models making one too someday, and if they do make a different like version of the, the colors or the painting on it, the livery, I'll definitely get that too. But for now, I'm not waiting another, year or two to get this from airport. So here it is now, guys. So without further ado, let's get it open and let's take a look at it. As you guys can see, it is nicely packaged here. Beautiful model. This was also on top too. Apologize if you guys hear screaming in the background. I know people are screaming outside of my the walls of the apartment here. I don't know what's going on. I guess it's what happens on a weekend. People go crazy. Let's get this model set down here so you guys can get a good look at it. This is my first time honestly taking this out of the box too. One of the coolest planes I own now. Just very unique. Give you guys a nice look. So here it is, Kenya Airways 787-8. I'm honestly surprised these can fly like that long. I thought these could, you figure they would do like the -9 or something, but I know they only own -8s, but yeah, here it is. Awesome livery. You can see the side here with looks like the rhinoceros on there. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Let me turn this around. Okay, there's the elephants. Okay, I thought it was the same on each side because I'm like, where are the elephants? Aren't there elephants on it? Because I've seen it on EDOT's story on Instagram. He's like the manager of JFK T4 in real life, and he always has like videos of the planes at JFK, and this one's always there. Anyways, guys, awesome details on it. So you can see the antennas on top here, the wings. Let's get you guys a shot of the engines. Pretty detailed, I'd say. Stand by, guys. Let's get this turned here. I don't know if you guys want to see that. There we go. Look at that. Super detailed Sky Team. Awesome. Give you guys a nice shot of the engine. All right, this is the way to do it. Apologize for the beginning of the video, guys. But now I got you some detailed shots here. Even get you the landing gear. Yeah, I think they did a great job on it. Kenya Airways 787. There's a tail. So yeah, I'm gonna get some shots of this for my TikTok and Instagram. But look at that, guys. So cool. Again, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching today, showing you guys the Kenya Airways 1:400 scale Dreamliner from Phoenix Models. Here it is in all its glory with my JFK backdrop. Still setting up the JFK terminal here, so if you guys are seeing this video, it might already be set up. I filmed a few videos here in one day, so just stay tuned. But this will be going into Terminal 4, obviously, and I have Terminal 4 currently getting created, so stay tuned, guys. Also, Instagram, TikTok, at Model Airport Nation, guys, and happy collecting. See you guys soon.